Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make a PDF file from a web page using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your Foxit PDF Editor software. Now click on this convert option, this menu bar, and here you will find this from web page option. Click here. Web page dialog box now open and put your URL here, or you can type your URL and copy your URL for your text bar. Now paste here. Also you can browse your web page here. Now simply select create here and wait for a few seconds. This page now converting, and see this page now converted to PDF file. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.